Hello, hello, beautiful souls. How are y'all today? I hope y'all are doing well on this Monday, the start of the week. And guess what we have here in North Carolina? Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. It's wintry mix outside, but nothing's sticking right now. But it's so beautiful coming down. The flakes are huge. It's a little nippy outside, but not unbearable. But yeah, just watching the snowflakes from the window is so gorgeous. And I was out in it earlier. I got out early this morning, had to run some errands, take my grandson to school. And it started snowing. Probably I was out for about a couple of hours and it started snowing. It's been snowing for a while now and it's still not sticking. But it was raining this morning. Not heavy rain, about like it's snowing now. And so that's probably, for one, causing it not to stick. And for two, the temperatures are not, haven't dropped enough for it to stick. So, but they are getting out of school 2 hours early. And that was called yesterday or sometime early this morning, maybe late last night. So they getting out of school 2 hours early. Which I don't have to pick up my grandson, but I dropped him off this morning. All right, so are y'all ready for your message today? I'm just here babbling. So let's bring the message. Let's see what the divine has to say for individuals affected by domestic violence on a collective. Okay. My computer screen got dark and I have to make sure I hit it lightly because if I don't, I will cut the video off. And that happened to me yesterday. I was recording. I had a ship out an ornament yesterday and I was recording how I packaged my shipment, and I didn't even know I had cut it off. I cut it off at 6 minutes, so they didn't get to see the full packaging. I posted it anyway. All right, let's see what else the divine has to say. We got 2 more cards. Okay. Do a little shuffling one more time. I got a decent message earlier. I'm always grateful for what the divine has to say, what message it has to give me. I love doing this because it just brightens my day. And it keeps me on task as to what I need to be doing. And it just allows me to be me. It allows me to be. All right. All right. They all came out. All right. So, the first one says, believe in yourself. Your thoughts are aligned with your goals. You can do it. Commit yourself to your vision. You are headed in the right direction. Clear your mind. All right. Believe in yourself always. Always believe in yourself. Believe in the God within. Okay? Because your thoughts are aligned with your goals. Because your thoughts are aligned with your goals, you are believing in yourself because you can do it. Commit yourself to your vision. Commit yourself to your visions. So basically believe in yourself, in the plans that you are putting in, because your thoughts are aligned with your goals. You can do it. You can do it. So, like I said, I always like to concentrate on the people that may be in real time in a situation, and they may be, they may be planning for their freedom. So, your thoughts are aligned with your goals. That is good. You believing in yourself because you can do it. You're committing to your vision. You're committing yourself to your vision because you can imagine yourself in your freedom. Therefore, you are headed in the right direction. You are headed in the right direction. Clear your mind. Your mind is clear. Keep it clear. If it's getting a little cloudy, get it cleared. Okay? Clear your mind. So keep your mind clear, because this message right here is saying you're on your way. You're on your way to your freedom. You can do it. Commit yourself to your vision. You are headed in the right direction. Make sure you keep your mind clear. And if it's getting cloudy, clear your mind. Okay? So this is a beautiful, beautiful message for those that are in a situation in real time and you're planning your freedom. This is a beautiful message. You're headed in the right direction. Allow yourself to be. Allow yourself to be. The power of being. The power of allowing. Just free yourself and let go. It's already done. It's already done. And with this, just seal it with it's already done. It's already done. You have committed yourself to your vision. It's already done. You are headed in the right direction. You have committed yourself to the vision and you are headed in the right direction. Make sure you keep your mind cleared. Don't let nothing cloud your mind, because you're sealing all of this. It's already sealed. Say, at the end of this, say, it is already done. And like I said, make sure you are writing these things down. Write it down, because your pen is your sword. Your tongue is your sword. You are headed in the right direction. It's already done. And it cannot be otherwise. It is finished, it is done, and it cannot be otherwise. Okay? The power of being. The power of I am. I am free. I am free. I am free. And what you can say is, I am free because I believe in myself. I am free because my thoughts are aligned with my goals. I am free because I can do it. I am free because I have committed myself to my vision. I am free because I am headed in the right direction. I am free because my mind is clear. All right? It is finished, it is done, and it cannot be otherwise. I am Cassandra Bethea Shine, and it is through our voices and stories that we can help or inspire others to become survivors. Keep on. Sound the silence in domestic violence. Continue to sound the silence in domestic violence. Someone needs your story and your voice. Have a great